Hi there, and today we're going to learn about how to make custom member profiles in Wix. So here I am in the Wix website dashboard, and let's go to the Wix website editor. From here, you can just click Edit Site right here, and the Wix website editor will automatically open in a new tab. So I have the tab open right here, and then here is my Wix website. So from here, if you want to create custom member profiles, what you need to do first is that you need to install the Wix members area application. So just type in right here Wix members in the Wix app market, and then you should see the Wix members area right here. So from here, just install this one and it will create automatic Wix member pages for you. So once you have installed that, you should now go right here to pages and menu. You can see members area, and then you should now see profile right here. So you already have the profile page, and then if you want to customize it, you can just go ahead and design this page however you want. So for example, if you want to add some more text, you want to add some more images, you can do that right here. And then what you can also do is that you can click on the profile element right here. So let me click on it. It should appear like this. And then we can click Manage Info. So from here, you can add more fields. Like for example, you have the first name, last name, and phone number. So these are the default fields. You can add more fields right here. Like for example, the address, and then the birth date of the member, and then you can add company, position, and then you can add some more custom fields right here. Like for example, let's say nickname, like this, and then you specify that this is a text field, and for example like this, and then the nickname will be added. So if you want to rearrange the fields right here, you can just drag the fields like this, and then that is it. So once you're finished, you can just close this, and then now whenever the member of your website is logged in, so it will display all of the fields that is shown or that we have specified in the manage information. And then another thing, you can also click settings right here so that you can customize the spacing between the sections right here, and then you can customize the header, like for the title, the subtitle, then the join date, then for the about section right here, then the badges. If you want to create badges for your website, you can do that as well. And then for the overview, and then for the blog posts, and then for the design, you can also customize the color of the text as well as the text sizes right here. And then going back, you can also do that to the buttons, to the dividers, and to the background and borders if you want to change the color of the background. And then that's basically it. So you can just go ahead and customize this profile page however you want, so that you can create a custom member profile to your website members. And then what you can also do is that you can go to pages and menu, and then you can go to the page settings. So from here, you can see the page information. We'll just wait for it to load. So you can change the page name and then the page URL if you want. And then for the layout, you can specify if you want the standard page or the no header and footer page. And then for the permissions, so this is accessible by everyone. But if you want only site members to access this, you can specify site members. And then if you only want to specify like specific members, you can also choose specific members, and then click members with plan subscriptions, for example, and then you can connect, for example, your members for all of your membership plans right here, or for example silver and gold, and then click apply. And then you can also specify members with roles right here. So it depends on your preference, but I prefer just having all members right here so that all website members can see the custom member profile page. Then that is it. So I hope you learned how to do it, and thank you for watching.